Amidst the juxtaposition of a residential enclave below and an untamed sylvan gorge aloft, the Eaves House assumes its stance. The elongated and slender cross-tilted plot, resembling a panhandle, paints an asymmetrical canvas. Views spanning English Bay, the Vancouver skyline, and the Stanley Park peninsula unfold along the southern and southeast horizons. Urban expansion in this locale adheres to specific design tenets favoring roof configurations over pronounced volumetric manifestations. Architecturally, the residence manifests as a suspended concrete plinth at the primary level, cradling itself beneath expansive eaves. This plinth metamorphoses into an airborne ground, veiling a substantial auto-court at the basement tier, while ensuring seclusion by veiling the thoroughfare and adjacent residences' windows below. Above, the twin extruded roof masses undertake the task of editing out the suburban foreground. Simultaneously, they serve as frames directing attention towards the waterfront. Occupancy zones on the main and upper floors seamlessly stretch along the site's expanse, mirroring the expansive outdoor realms to the east. These spaces, indoors and out, engage in a harmonious dance, creating a sequence of views behind view. This sequence unfolds like a cinematic narrative when traversing between spaces. The design strategy begets an atypical street-level elevation that, owing to the low vantage point during approach, largely subdues the conventional interpretation of walls, floors, and windows. The house, in essence, is perceived as a pair of levitating planes, ushering in an augmented visual panorama within and beyond, captivating the observer's gaze past the immediate environs.